to my channel. So, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a French tip manicure at home for less than how you'll pay in the stores. It's actually really expensive in the stores, but today you're going to only pay less than $10 for this manicure at home. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Ooh, they look so nice, don't they? I love these, especially all the stickers and stuff on them. They're so cool. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your pack of nails to actually put on your nails. I'm going to use this set of nails. It's from the Kiss brand, and you're going to need the petite size if you have small fingers, because that size fits all teenagers and kids and small people. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to be putting some pretty nail stickers on it. Yeah, these are toenail stickers, but they're still pretty nice stickers, and they will do the job. So I'm going to be using these. You're going to need nail files. You're gonna need some nail glue. You're going to need a nail clipper and a cotton ball and nail polish remover. Now let's get started. Ooh, I'm so excited. So my mom is going to be helping me do my nails because, I need a little practice work on my nails. I can't, no. Okay, so let's get started. She's going to be helping me and I can't wait. Ooh, let's start. Before we start, please excuse this this messy board here. This is our crafting board. We do a lot of our crafts and DIYs on here, so don't be judgmental if you see that it is very dirty. But let's get started. So first, my mom is going to start off by clipping and filing my nails. Yay!
You don't want to clip the nail too far down, like to the skin. You don't want to go all the way down because when you put the glue on, it can end up gluing the actual false nail onto your skin. So what you want to do is just trim them down a little bit so that you have enough room to glue the actual false nail on.
Now my mom is going to start filing my nails to make them nice and smooth. My mom is done filing the edge of my nails. She's going to file the top of my nails. That way it gives it a rough and bumpy surface for the nail glue to stick onto. That way it won't come off as easily and kind of like slide off. We're giving it something to grip onto. Yay! If you've seen my old nail video where I'm sticking on Justice nails, you've seen that I use nail polish remover to remove all of the grease from my fingers. I do this so that the nails stick on way better, and that way, it gives it more of a grip to hang on to. And also, we want to make our fingernails clean. You can also wash your hands before using nail polish remover to get it extra clean. This also takes away a lot of the nail dust that was there before. Right now, before we continue, make sure to like this video if you think that the nails will turn out great, because I think they will. Now my mom is going to start sizing up the nails to my fingers to see which ones will match. We don't want to use the wrong nail size on the finger. When we get to the gluing part, Trust me, it's not fun.
So the nail kit comes with another little nail file and this little tool that's to help push your cuticles back, and it also helps to stick the nails on. So if your cuticles are too far forward, you use this to push the cuticles back like that, just so the nails will stick better, and you're not putting the nails actually on top of your cuticles. But her cuticles are actually pretty good, and they're pushed far back enough so I don't need to use it.
By the way, a little nail vocabulary. If you didn't know, the cuticle is the skin surrounding your nail. Yay! Let's get started. I actually have really big thumbs, so my thumbs usually fit the first nail that's in the pack, which is usually the biggest one. But that's okay. We all have different nail sizes. When you're putting on the nail, you're going to want to put it underneath the cuticle if you push it back like this. That way it looks more natural. Now that we're done sizing up the nails to my fingers, we're going to start gluing them on with the pink gel glue. Yay! Ooh, gel glue. Ooh, I meant gel glue.
So I usually rub the glue all over the fingernail. And I do the same thing with the actual false nail. A lot of people just put one dot, but I kind of feel like one dot is not enough. And you're supposed to let the glue dry just a little bit before you put it on. It helps it to be a little bit more sticky.
And while it's drying off, because the nail glue actually does dry very quickly, you're going to need to press it down really hard, but don't break your finger. Just press it down really hard to apply pressure and make sure that it sticks. On to the next nail. By the way, I don't know about you guys, but this is my favorite part. The pink nail glue actually looks a little bit clear at first when you put it on, but when you stick on the nail, you can tell a difference. Okay, so now that my mom is done putting on all of the nails and gluing them, she's going to take off the little tags at the ends, and here's a trick. After you're done taking them off, you may notice that they leave little bumps on the end of your nails, and you want to file those off because they don't really look too nice. That way they can be smooth and match up with the rest of your nail.
They also get scratchy.
Yes. And also, if there's any glue on the side of your nails that's coming out from when you glued on your nails, I feel like I said nails too many times in that sentence. But anyway, and if it looks white and you really don't like how it looks, don't worry. It'll wash off after you take your bath and wash your hands a bunch after in just a couple of days, like 1 or 2 days. Exhibit A. start sizing up the nail stickers and see which ones we think look nice.
I like that they put it on this clear back so that way you can kind of like do it like that, kind of test it out on your nails. See which ones would look better. I actually really like that they that we bought this because it helps to hide the bubbles that popped up in the nails. So you can always use these nail stickers for that.
And also, this step is optional. You don't have to put nail stickers on yours. But I'm just doing it because I think it looks really cool.
Let's see.
You can always do that before sticking them on all the way. That way you can take it off very easily.
Yeah, just to test it out and see how it's gonna look first. I think it looks better on this side.
Okay. I totally agree.
Wow, the struggle.
But one thing I can promise you, the struggle is worth it. That looks so pretty! Yay! Oh yeah. Doo-ba-ba-ba. So this is how they look in the end, and we put on a clear coat on top of the nails so that the stickers would stay down. And this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with it. It looks so cool, and I love all of the glittery stickers. My mom did such a good job with these nails. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you so that you can do your own manicure at home and not have to pay a bunch to do it in stores. And I hope this video helped you. I already said that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!